Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily change keyboard settings in Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Windows 11 and then go on a bottom and click on a search and right here control panel. And when you're gonna right here control panel, you want to find a keyboard, and then you're gonna have like keyboard properties here, and you can change the character repeat, like a repeat delay and repeat rate. Then you can also like the cursor bring rate, change that, and then you like see the hardware here, devices, and you can look on the properties here. And yeah, so this is how we can change the keyboard settings in Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.